I do have the kit, I just don't have it installed yet, so I can't demonstrate it. There's also a protective plastic sheet over the top of the screen right now. The kit comes with a protective film you can put over the top. So you want to pull this sheet off. You want to pull this sheet off and put the cover on. Be really clean and careful as you lay it on so you don't get any bubbles or anything else like that. But all in all, this looks fantastic. And with the exception of, modern technology and everything that comes with it, this looks like it should have been here in the first place. I mean, the trim designs match, the colors match, the buttons match, everything else match. What a great upgrade to put in your car. And a lot of technology. And like I said, there's many, many functions in this. It'd be like handing somebody a computer, which is, essentially what this is, being an Android system. And then there's a million apps you can install. There's a million settings you can go through, and all the different things you can go through. You can change your navigation, whether you want to use Cigic or use Google or use the Here app. And those are all choices that you can make as you can customize this to be exactly how you want it to be. But as you can see, the install's done and really isn't that hard. Doing this video and doing the install takes a lot longer than actually the effort itself. This is one of the easier installs that you can do. So if you have any questions, make sure to let me know. All right, back inside after doing the installation. I always reserve the right to make changes as I go. There's one additional thing that I changed. I was talking about the TPMS system earlier. So you can actually get a couple of different setups from Avon. You can get the TPMS system, which includes the internal sensor as well, or just the external sensor. The kit I have is just the external sensor.